Do you want to 10x your investments? My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to 10x your investments using the best financial products without you having to spend too much of time in choosing confusing financial products so that you can live a worry-free financial life. Have you ever wondered that do you really want to save time and money and upgrade yourself learning new investing skills? Do you want to automate and systemize your investment processes so that you can achieve 10x investment growth? You must be wondering that I am a first-time investor with no knowledge and time. Is this 10x journey for me or not? You might be an intermediate investor who has knowledge but lack of time to manage your portfolio and wondering whether 10x is possible or not. You might be an experienced investor having good number of years of experience in managing a portfolio, but asset allocation is missing, and maybe you already achieved 10x but struggling to actually scale to the next level. Then this 10x journey is for you. Our journey till now has been of 10 plus years of trust from 1100 plus investors with 100 plus success stories, investors from 40 plus cities in India and 10 plus countries across the globe who have invested in financial products via us till now are business owners, traders, retailers, lawyers, advocates, CAs, chartered accountants, IT service professionals, retired individuals who are wanting to grow their wealth. Retail investors include doctors, architects, lawyers, chartered accountants, business owners, service professionals, and retired professionals. We are on a mission to be partners with 1 lakh investors by 2030 to help them advance in their investments and financial goals. We are practitioners. Whatever we speak, we've actually achieved, implemented, and then come out in the market to help other investors replicate the same as what we did. There is no theory, and it's all recipe driven from 10 years of struggle and success. Results of thousands of investors speaks for themselves. The secrets which we are going to reveal by once you associate with us are based on 10 plus years of experience in the investment consultation for individuals and corporates. We've seen individual investors fail to implement and invest in financial products. We've seen investors struggling to understand complicated financial products and which are difficult to understand and implement. They are unable to organize themselves. We help them start planning, make their financial goals, help them execute in easy to use systems, and make them understand the financial products so that they can live a worry-free financial life and 10x their investments. What you will be actually learning and implementing once you associate with us is what is the 10x journey, what are the best financial products in this investment journey, how to achieve growth with the help of automation, using systems and processes to 10x your investments, and obviously you will be getting a host of ready-made, ready-to-use financial tools. You will be discovering investment automation in the entire journey with us, how the automation journey can help you and your family grow 10x in all aspects, the top 5 financial products which is a perfect combination as per us to grow your investments and your wealth. And also you will be learning execution processes, asset allocations, and how to achieve financial goals without you having prior knowledge and spending very less time in achieving all these things. We are registered business partners with NJ Wealth and Motilal Oswal. We need a platform to actually execute any financial products which we are advocating. So these are the two world-class platforms, NJ Wealth and Motilal Oswal, which we are associated with. You might be thinking that because we are associated with these two platforms, that is why we are terming them as the best platforms. But you can go out and search in the market. It is based on our 3 years, 5 years, 10 years of research that these two platforms are actually the best. NJ Wealth are the pioneers in the mutual fund industry, having almost 1 lakh crores of AUM. Motilal Oswal is also again known for its solid research and execution platform. Both the platforms are very, very solid in terms of their technology and in terms of their financial product listing. So 10x your investments is a journey which we have drafted by actually implementing whatever we've learned in the last 10 years of our experience and career. So you will be discovering how you can actually grow your investments to 10x. What is 10x? The journey starting from planning, execution and allocation stage, reaching you to financial freedom from financial frustration will be covered in this 10x journey by associating with us. It's all about the mindset. Do you have a 10% growth mindset or a 10x mindset? The choice is going to be yours. It will be including, we will be helping you in terms of your goal-based planning, risk profiling, investment audits, where you are presently, what you should be doing. This is the blueprint of our 10x journey, where we help you plan, execute, rebalance, and finally do the asset allocation. You might be going through these stages where of no liquidity, zero liquidity, or low liquidity, or high liquidity, and finally the freedom stage, which actually governs the 10x journey. Some of the common pains and frustrations which we have seen of investors is less risk protection, low liquidity, no time, knowledge, no goals, no trust on bankers and agents, having no anchor advisor to guide them in their financial journey. Whereas the investor's goals and desires is always to have adequate risk protection. God forbid the breadwinner of the family is no more, so the family can live a same standard of living as they were living earlier. High liquidity in terms of any exigency, emergency, having more time as investments become system driven, so their desire is to have more time and not be time pressed in terms of managing their portfolio. Having more knowledge so that they can take conscious investing decisions, defined goals, and a trusted advisor. That is what an investor needs. Are you living with any of these fears, where you'll have to work longer to make a living, having a stressful life, having health issues, ending up taking loan for children's education, drop in social status, unable to upgrade your lifestyle like new house, new car, wanting to expand or start a business, unable to follow your passion? Whereas the 10x journey is going to help you achieve your dreams like retire early, having a stress-free life, living a healthy life, adequate corpus for children's education, marriage and their future, increase in social status, bigger and better house and car, starting a business early, following your passion, or expanding your business. So what are the best 5 financial products to 10x your investments, which we are going to cover is ETFs, which are exchange traded funds. They can be top companies of India, top banks of India, top automobiles, software companies, pharma companies of India. So all that is possible through the ETF basket which we provide. The results have been phenomenal in the last 5 years, 7 years, 10 years of almost 10, 15, 20% in ETFs. The clients who've actually invested in ETFs are happy, and they say that it's a great way to invest and get started, and it's a worry-free way of investing into ETFs. The second is model funds. That's the smartest way to invest in today's market. Through the MOSL platform, you get various model funds which you can invest in. The results are in front of your screen, where you see 18%, 25%, 35% returns also coming in the last 1 year. The time horizon can be 3 to 5 years while investing in these model funds. So model funds also, we've heard good comments and testimonies from our customers. Mutual funds, the bestest and the diversified way of investing. It's a tried and tested methodology, but through us you get an investment automation using mutual funds, where you just need to tell us a mandate, whether it's to create a wealth, you want to invest in mutual funds, whether it's for regular income or for saving tax. The results have been phenomenal. For 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, we've seen a 20-25% returns coming in mutual funds through the automation journey. The customers are happy, and they say the entire journey has been so simple and easy to follow, and it's a one-click system where you can invest in mutual funds. Direct stocks has always been a wonderful way to generate returns, concentrated way to invest. So through the stock basket route, you can actually invest, whether you are a first-time investor, whether you want to have a diversified portfolio of equity and gold, you can invest in direct equity. This is one of the examples of House of Tata, which generated almost 43% returns in 8 to 9 months of tenure. If your focus is growth and income, you can choose a combination of growth stocks as well as income producing stocks like dividend stocks. So we give you ready-made baskets to invest in. Customers are really happy, saying that one-stop solution for their investment needs, and direct stocks are by far the best way to invest, and they are happy with the returns. Other than that, you can also invest in NPS, that is National Pension Scheme, sovereign gold bonds, ULIPs via us, and that's the tax efficient way to invest. NPS helps you to save tax over and above 1.5 lakh rupees up to a limit of 50,000. Sovereign gold bonds, the The returns are tax-free in nature on maturity. ULIPs up to 2.5 lakh rupees in a year. The maturity is tax-free. So you can use all these products also via us. We help you execute in these products. The customers, again, they are happy to say that we help them do tax savings, and the retirement solutions are provided via us, and we help them execute in these various platforms. Derivatives is one product which we are giving as a bonus in terms of association with us. All those who are wanting to take leverage, all those who are wanting to make a quick money, or rather I would say a better alpha return in a period of 3 years, 5 years, then derivatives, option strategies is one thing which you can deal with. We have an algorithm based trading platform in the MOSL platform, where you can invest in Nifty and Bank Nifty via algo trading, and without you having any prior knowledge and time. The ticket size is almost 9 lakh rupees, and the risk reward is 12 to 18%, 12% on the drawdown, 18 to 20% on the upside. So we've seen and experienced that 8 out of 12 months or 10 out of 12 months we actually end up making good profits, and the customers are making good money, and they are happy with the kind of product which we have been giving them and the solutions which we have been giving them. So overall, why investment automation with financial products? It helps you save time, it helps you save yourself from error. No fear, no hope cycle is there. Achieve financial goals faster. Diversified portfolio is there. Rebalancing happens at regular intervals. Risk management portfolio is created. Liquidity is there. Cash flow is taken care of, and margin of safety is there because of the asset allocation which we do. So it is high time that you start investing from and switch from savings to investing. One of the biggest problems we've seen, and the biggest financial mistake investors do, is that they rely on only one source of income. 10x your investments is just not a financial product basket. It's a mindset that enables you to think of a complete wealth journey with the help of technology, systems and processes which we have created. So are you ready to upgrade your investments? If yes, go ahead and sign up with us in 10x your investments using the best financial products. Enroll now. Hurry up, with an unlimited opportunity waiting for you. Thank you and see you.